but this is something that's going to be phased. The first phase will be obviously a wallet where people can see all of the different tokens, and bearing in mind that the tokens are potentially on different chains. So it's not as simple as just plugging in an Ethereum wallet, for example, or a Optimism wallet or a Solana wallet. It could potentially need to be a bunch of
Makes
wallets.
it very difficult.
Yeah. And then the next stage after that is obviously to be able to withdraw the assets as they are. So just withdraw Ethereum and trade it on a DEX or do whatever you want to do with it. Hold it in cold storage if you like. And then after that, we'll go to USD stable withdrawal, like a convert. At some point, there'll be a convert to Havelo probably in there as well. And then finally, I think the last stage, if I understand things correctly, and please correct me if I'm wrong, but the last phase of that whole process would be to be able to just withdraw it straight to your bank account. So we're probably a little bit far out from that, but is that correct?
Yeah, look, we're looking at how we can, let's say, shortcut that last option to fiat as much as possible. I'm really, I guess, keen to hear from our users where the demand is in terms of withdrawals. Which combinations are people interested in? Do you want the native tokens of all the different DPINs? Do you want a stable coin that's converted from what you've earned? Do you want a Havelo token? I think I'd really love to hear feedback.